Well, hello there, guys. My name is Mr. Great, and today I will be telling you about some things and some stuff related to custom ROMs. And before we start, please press the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you can never miss another update from Mr. Great. So there are many operating systems in the market such as Windows, iOS, and Android OS obviously. So there are many versions of that, such as iOS has iOS 9, iOS 10, and Windows has Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows 7, and Android has Android 6.0, Android 7.0, and the Android 8.0 is also out in the beta test. So for the nerds who don't like the stock Android and the stock things which all the people likes, the developers, the private developers, not the company developers, the private developers developed some custom ROMs for them, basically for new modifications just like CyanogenMod, etc. And it's really helpful because it gives really great features and tweaks as compared to normal stock Android, and has great many features. For the people who are bored of their devices, can flash the custom ROMs on the devices and have the better UI transition and the better performance of their phone, the better life of battery, and many things and other tweaks, so that their phone will not lag anymore and give them a better performance. So when it comes to big companies like Samsung, they can't actually give a normal stock Android in their phones, so they slightly modify it, the normal Android, for their phones, just like we see TouchWiz in Samsung devices and MIUI in Xiaomi devices. So first let's review the TouchWiz. The TouchWiz has a normal UI which is skinned with the Samsung own touch. All the Samsung devices come preloaded with a TouchWiz skin over the basic Android UI. The skin is non-removable and contains added functionality that is exclusive to Samsung, like Samsung Store, Samsung Pay, Samsung Themes, and the Bixby, which will be out in the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now, unlike the stock Android, the TouchWiz gives the menu button at the bottom right hand side corner. I don't know why, I think so they give it because it's easy to open menu from it. Now another added functionality is you can create folders in the menu only, which is a really great feature as it's easy to sort out the games, the software apps, and other Google apps in the menu only. Now the UI is pretty lag free in the upper models of the Samsung, and the transitions of the closing app and opening app and the menu transitions are also great, and it really gives a great experience when you are operating TouchWiz, and it's really fast, it's really smooth. So guys, TouchWiz scored in the comparison of MIUI versus TouchWiz, and I really like TouchWiz as compared to MIUI because MIUI looks like the cheap copy of Apple. I will come to that. I will come to MIUI. I will also review MIUI full, but first finish the TouchWiz. So the TouchWiz has the beautiful set of minimal wallpapers, comes with the phone preloaded, and it really suits the phone. They are best, and you can apply on them home screen and on the lock screen. They have a great amount of widgets and many other things and tweaks which are really great as compared to any other Android version. So without wasting any other time, let's come to MIUI. The MIUI, as I said, looks like the cheap copy of iOS, but still it has great features. It has great tweaks and gives a really great battery performance. The Xiaomi phone comes with a great amount of battery mAh, and the capacity of battery of every MI phone is larger than 3000 mAh, and when it comes to the normal Android ROMs, they consume a lot of battery and really gives a laggy performance. But when it's come to the MIUI, it does not have any minimalistic or any material design, but in the amount of transition, it has a really great transition, and it has a really great beautiful wallpapers comes with the device, and the MIUI gives a really great battery performance. It optimizes full phone and have a really great RAM usage. It not actually consume lot of RAM when it comes to the MIUI, and regularly new updates of MIUI always improve the versions, and I really like MIUI, but still when it's come to its non-materialistic designs and there is no fun in operating it as compared to normal Android or any custom ROM or TouchWiz. The transition are not that great, and I really don't like MIUI. But in the terms of battery and performance, the phone giving is really great. It comes preloaded with Xiaomi devices. Now guys, without wasting any time, let's review the original custom ROM. So the custom ROM are technically the original custom ROMs of based on Android on AOSP project. So for the review of I took Resurrection Remix OS, which is based on 7.1.1 Android OS. So any custom ROM has great many features when it is compared to any stock ROM. So the custom ROMs, the best in class custom ROMs are CyanogenMod, and Resurrection Remix is actually based on CyanogenMod. So here I am using Resurrection Remix, but this app says hello CyanogenMod users. That means that the Resurrection Remix is based on CyanogenMod. So the Resurrection Remix has more features than CyanogenMod, and CyanogenMod has more features than stock Android. So Resurrection Remix has many features as compared to stock Android. So let's compare what features I am talking about here. I am going to configurations, and here are clock customization, in which I can put my clock in either right, either center, or either on the left side. As you can see, it came in the right side, and when I took it left, it came in left side, and when I took in center, it is in center side. So there are many features like these and tweaks. So to customize your phone, I can put date, I can put seconds, I can put many things in this. I have put in my name right on the taskbar, and there are many features like lock screen, gestures, and software buttons and hardware buttons, which I can customize. This ROM is fully customizable, and that's why I really like this as compared to any TouchWiz or any MIUI. So Resurrection Remix is available for any flagship phone, but the main feature that your phone should has to flash a custom ROM is that the custom ROM should be available for your phone. So many of the devices didn't have as many as custom ROMs for their devices, because the developers only focus on the flagship phones. So today I will be telling you how you can find a fantastic custom ROM and how you can flash it on your phone. Guys, first you have to do is type XDA and your mobile device. Just like my phone device's name is Eureka, so I will type Eureka XDA and search for it, and go on the first link on XDA forum, and there you can find many of the custom ROM listed there. So you can download any of the custom ROM, just like there is Resurrection Remix there, Lineage OS there, and certain custom ROMs in the Eureka original development and Android development. So you can find any of the custom ROM your favorite, just like the Eureka has MIUI also, and download it and flash it via TWRP. TWRP is a custom recovery from which you can flash any ROM. Only flagship smartphones have a great variety of custom ROM, just like Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge also has a great variety of custom ROM. It has custom ROM for Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Exynos model and Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Snapdragon model. So there are many custom ROM in the market out there, and you can flash any of them if you want. And let me know in this comment if you want to make me a video on flashing custom ROMs, and I will make it for you. And don't forget to hit like, don't forget to press subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. This is Mr. Great signing off, and I hope you like this video. This is my first try, and I have got 300 subscribers also, so thank you for that also very much, and I really like your support. Please keep supporting me, and I will be offering you great content.